everyone, this is Char with Rihanna Stark. This is another pick a card reading. In today's reading, we will cover the topic Your Future this week between 17th to 23rd May 2021. Like always, we have two piles here. This is pile A, which is the sun, and this is pile B, which is the guitar. Viewers, we also have the timestamp given in the description box, so in case you want to proceed directly to your reading, you can do just that. Those of you who pick pile A, which is the sun right here, certainly the spotlight is on you. You're going to shine bright like the sun. Possibly your radiance is also going to help others. I think you're somebody who's up and about, who's quite active and productive this week. Between 17th to 23rd May, that is. Let's just keep this aside for now. The first card in your reading, pile A, is the Queen of Pentacles. This is the material vibration. Besides, it's the earth energy. So possibly you're going to be dealing with the earth signs. That is Taurus, Virgo and Capricorns. The Queen of Pentacles is asking you to make those material gains. Possibly there'll be some minor gains. But then you should look at the larger picture. Whether these gains are going to be beneficial for you in the long run. I think females are also going to play an important role this week because we have the Queen of Pentacles. So maybe you're going to be somebody who's quite nurturing and giving as well. Incidentally, you should also safeguard your health this week. Maybe there'll be some positive news with respect to a health problem as well because you did pick up the sun. The sun talks about optimism. So certainly you're going to feel revitalized or rejuvenated. On the professional front, pile A, I think things will come out in the open, things will be revealed. Possibly, you have to assert yourself, you have to take the initiative. You shouldn't let other people take you for granted. Maybe while dealing with clients also, or even with your superior, you should haggle a bit. Maybe you should be forceful when it comes to talking about your viewpoint. Other than that, I'm also picking up that financial transactions will also take up your time. Maybe you will be involved in banking work. With respect to your love life, I have this card, I feel safer in silence. Possibly you or the person whom you're dealing with may be incommunicative. Maybe it's better to keep quiet at times, to hold your thoughts or hold your cards close to your chest. In case you're also romancing, I think your person could also be quite insecure. Maybe there are other suitors vying for your attention. Nevertheless, I think silence is this person's comfort zone or maybe your comfort zone. Silence can also make a relationship quite awkward. This silence can also be deafening. But then this is the time to recoil in a shell, or this person feels that it is best to withdraw. In case you feel that you're very persuasive, or in case you feel that you're making the effort in this relationship or in this connection, I think you may feel it's time to step back, to retreat. Incidentally, the next card in your reading is a knife, which talks about severance. Possibly, you need to sever some ties, you need to get out of certain relationships. In case you need to cut off some people from your life, then it is for your highest good. So you need to do that very quickly because this knife is something that we use to cut things out of our life or to cut something. So maybe it's going to be quite impactful. Possibly, pile A, I'm also picking up that there could be betrayal on the cards, or maybe someone could stab you in the back. So you need to safeguard yourself. From the Angel Therapy card, we have this message which talks about vegetarian, vegan. Pile A, I think you should also focus on your diet. Maybe you should focus on vegetarian food or organic food because it's going to be best for your body or your spiritual path. When we ingest high vibrating food, then it also ups our energy levels quite significantly. This will also ensure greater psychic clarity for you. Maybe you're also being asked by your angels to adjust your appetite to get rid of food cravings that are unhealthy. Perhaps that is why we have this card, dwelling in the truth. I stand in the light of truth. I think once we are focused on what's good for ourselves, or once we realize that we need to be true to your own inner self, then it becomes easier for all of us. Maybe like this lady, or you need to sit still, you need to gather your thoughts. That is why I think we did have this card. I feel safer in silence. So incidentally, we also had this card here which talks about I feel safer in silence. That is why I think your angels are asking you to sit still, to go in a quiet corner of the house, listen to the whispers of your soul. Sometimes, we may feel that someone is not being truthful, or maybe we ourselves realize that we are not being truthful in a particular area. So some changes need to be made, or maybe you need to make those alterations to feel attuned to your own being, so that your conscience doesn't prick you. That is why maybe it's time to reevaluate what you're up to. From Lenormand, we have this card, Woman. We did start this reading with the Queen of Pentacles right here, and now we do have the Woman card from Lenormand. So possibly there's going to be someone quite significant as a female figure in your life. Maybe this person is also a behind the scenes player, or perhaps you're also being asked to be more attuned to your feminine side. I think we also have the Knife here, so maybe you're going to be quite decisive and independent when it comes to taking care of the needs of those under you. The woman is also the lady of the house, so possibly you could be the lady of the house. Or even on the professional sphere, you could be in the leadership position. That is why you have to take charge of situations, or maybe you need to protect those under your umbrella. Your angels are also asking you to be more creatively inclined this week. Perhaps your soul desires creative expression. Sometimes, you may feel stuck or blocked at work. So maybe if you engage in a creative pursuit, then you will get those ideas that are required. This creative pastime could also energize you to focus on work a great deal more. Some of you are also being asked to put your thoughts to paper. Maybe you should paint or draw, or even you could take up a musical instrument as well. The last card in this reading, Pile. Largely in this week, I think the onus is going to be on you. You have to take responsibility, though sometimes, you may be someone who is dithering or who is deferring. Maybe you think that the onus is always on you, that others are not willing to take responsibility of the situation. Possibly some of you could be dealing with legal work or paperwork. I think you will benefit a great deal if you will deliberate with the senior male figure in your life, possibly a father figure, whether at work or on the home front. This person also wants you to be more proactive. Maybe this person thinks that you are procrastinating. You do realize that you have to do the work, but then this kind of a tussle is unnecessary and uncalled for. This week is also going to be marked by excess communication. Some of you may also want to study. Maybe you're going to take up that creative hobby as well. Nonetheless, Pile, this week you're coming across as a leader. You're somebody who has survived the baptism by fire. I hope, Pile, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time. Those of you who picked Pile B, which is the guitar right here, let's find out what are the messages for you between 17th to 23rd May 2021. Let's just dive into your reading. The first card in your reading, Pile B, is the Hierophant. Certainly this week between 17th to 23rd May, you can expect life-changing experiences. Possibly you're somebody who is going to get those visions or dreams. In fact, I believe that for some of you, there could also be past life experiences. Some of you may also go into that trance-like state and revisit a past life as well. You are somebody who is going to cut through the obstacles, because we do have the Page of Swords here. You're someone who is quite decisive. You want to get to the bottom of things. You want to move ahead. You want to forge ahead. That is, I think you will be someone who is going to be communicative as well. But you should be mindful of your words, because there could be disagreements with your loved ones. You will also realize in the course of the week that the problems that you are encountering in this life are all related to spiritual problems. Certainly the insight that you will gain will help you heal. Professionally, I think you have to bear with the amount of work that is in store for you. Maybe you will be somebody who is going to do the task one after the other, because we have the Page of Swords right here. Pile B, on certain days you could be in a foul mood, you could be quite temperamental. Maybe you also sleep deprived on account of the excess work that is in store for you. This excess work does leave you irritable, so you need to be mindful as well. Perhaps Palby, you should rest and recuperate. Maybe you should cover up on your sleep as well. Nevertheless, I think this week is also the time to ask for favors. You will definitely be obliged. It's no point resisting the change that is in store for you. While working also, I think you should be careful because gadgets or equipment could malfunction. Professionally also, I think there could be work offers. Maybe there could be a travel related work offer, or maybe you want to set sail for greener pastures. But then because of this swords energy, you're being asked to decide on matters. Maybe you should also express your viewpoint or make your family members come around to whatever your decisions are with respect to life or higher education as well for some of you. With respect to your love life, I have this card, my mind and heart always comes back to you. Possibly, Palby, you are going to be reminded of this special someone. Maybe there could be past memories here which are going to open the floodgates, or you're somebody who is going to remember and explain. Incidentally, there's a huge possibility that someone from your past could re-enter your life, or somebody may want to renew contact with you. In case you're single or in case you have feelings for someone, I think you want to reach out to this person. Maybe you feel that this person and you have a past life connection here. You know, it's not easy to be far removed from this person. That is why thoughts of this person are always there, or it could preoccupy you. Sometimes, you know, we are quiet and we are quite still as well, but then in these moments we go back to the person we desire. Possibly, you know, this could also be vice versa. Maybe this person is thinking about you. Certainly, it's not easy for them to escape the effect that you have on them. In case Palby, you're already romancing, I think you want clarity with respect to this connection. Maybe you want this person to commit to this relationship. You don't like the ambiguity that is there. You don't like the tussle that is there in your mind. The next card in this reading is songs information. You did pick up the guitar, so certainly music is something which is going to heal your soul. Maybe there are some songs which could be reminding you of the special someone. There could be a message here for you in case you listen to a particular musical number, that is. The next card in this reading is the crown chakra, which is the Sahasrara chakra, the seventh chakra. Your angels are going to give you messages. Incidentally, we did have Hierophant, which talks about spiritual messages. So certainly your crown chakra is going to be quite active this week. You should pay attention to the dreams that are going to come in, or the ideas that are going to be there. You know, sometimes they just pop in our head. Perhaps, Palby, you shouldn't ignore them because these are messages from your higher self, or this is true divine guidance that is going to be sent to you. Perhaps it's also time, Palby, to clear the crown chakra. Aura cleansing could definitely help you. The next card in this reading is launching your journey. I'm an intrepid traveler sailing forth into the universe. Earlier in this reading, we did talk about you wanting to set sail for greener pastures. Possibly, you know, there could be an outstation work offer. So maybe you're going to pack your bags and you're going to make those travel plans. Or perhaps there's a new project which has come up and you want to make something out of it. Ideally, I think, Palby, you're being asked to prepare for the adventure that is going to be there in your life this week. You have to take that leap of faith. You have to broaden your horizons, or be prepared for this unexpected journey that 17th to 23rd May is going to bring into your life. From Lenormand, we have this card, boy. Possibly you're also being asked to be childlike, be naive, be innocent and playful, like this boy here. He seems to be playing. If you look closely, Palby, this boy is also playing with the ship here. So maybe you're going to make those travel plans this week. Besides, you know, it is just next to this card, launching your journey. Maybe there are new contracts or there's a new proposal. A business partnership is also on the horizon for you that you have to sign. So some kind of commitment is there which you need to honor. You should not take it lightly. The next card in your reading, Palby, is sensitivity. You are becoming more sensitive and need to make changes accordingly. There are some harsh energies around you. Maybe this harsh environment could affect your energy levels. It could be draining you. So you should heal your work environment or even your personal space. Perhaps you could benefit if you would cooperate with others, or maybe others should also cooperate with you. We will conclude this reading with your last card, which is the Six of Spades, which again talks about travel. I think from a turbulent time, you're going to move to a period which is going to be more peaceful or calm in your life. Sometimes, you may be undecided about how you should proceed, but then in the end, everything will fall in place. Paperwork or technical work is also on the cards for you. Some of you also making those travel plans to meet your lover who lives far away in another place, that is. All in all, Pile B, this week you have to sail with the changes. You cannot resist the changes that are going to be there. It's going to be a very active week, but you're also being asked to listen to the messages from the universe which are coming in through your crown chakra or your higher self. Another thing I'm just picking up is that this is a time to also enjoy good food, or perhaps you need to rustle up a good meal for family members as well. I hope Pile B you liked your reading. This is Tarot with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.